This is how beginners start a content channel with AI. For anyone who thinks creating high-quality advertisements requires massive budgets, large teams, and long production timelines, this completely changes the game. Using Pippit.ai, I was able to create professional, realistic advertising videos that look like they came straight from a high-end production studio, without heavy investment. By using just two powerful features inside this platform, I saved time, reduced costs, and achieved premium results. I searched in the browser and then typed Pippit.ai, and the website opened. When I opened Pippit.ai, it immediately stood out how smooth and creator-friendly the platform is. Everything is designed for creators, brands, and advertisers who want professional outcomes without complicated workflows. Within minutes, it became clear how advanced this AI system truly is. This is one of the biggest opportunities of our time to build with AI. Pippit is the AI video agent that turns content into income. To start, I used the prompt to avatar feature inside the video generator. I clicked on Video Generator, then selected Agent mode, and then wrote the prompt. I uploaded an image and described the avatar directly in the prompt, asking the AI to create a professional female avatar wearing jewelry for an advertising scenario. The AI followed the instructions accurately, generating a realistic, confident avatar with clean visuals and a polished, brand-ready appearance. The result felt like a real commercial.
Morning rush? Your style stays secure. Gold-plated layers, diamond accents, effortless. Designed to move. No tugging, no slip. Comfort all day. Confidence, always. Secure fit. Strength you can trust. Elegant jewelry collection. For women on the move.
The expressions were convincing, and the overall presentation matched premium advertising standards, all without filming or studio setups. This clearly shows how powerful AI-driven avatar creation has become. Next, I moved on to another advanced feature, reference to video, which includes two adaptive modes, VO 3.1 and Sora. This feature allows you to recreate the creative style, pacing, and visual flow of an existing video while focusing on your own product. First, I used reference to video in VO 3.1 mode. I uploaded a reference video and created an advertisement for sunglasses. The AI successfully matched the rhythm, camera movements, framing, and overall style of the reference while keeping the product clearly highlighted in a clean, professional, and brand-safe way. Then, I used the same reference to video feature again, this time in Sora mode. I uploaded a reference video and generated an advertisement for hair oil. The final output closely mirrored the original video's look and feel. With smooth transitions, premium lighting, and a refined presentation that looked professionally produced. Across both modes, the AI followed creative direction with impressive accuracy, delivering high-quality visuals that normally require a full production team. After using prompt to avatar and reference to video in both VO 3.1 and Sora modes, it's clear that Pippit.ai is more than just an AI tool. It's a complete solution for modern advertising, helping creators and entrepreneurs produce professional content, save time, and reduce costs. Pippit is free to use. The link is available in the video description. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more content like this, and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.